Hi my friends, Catherine here, and I have 3 unboxings today. Count them, 3. And I'm really excited to try them all, but the one I'm most excited about is Rent the Runway. So hang around, we're going to dive into Rent the Runway, and then there'll be 2 videos following this. Okay, so if you recall in my last video, I said I might get Rent the Runway back for the holidays, and I did. So I went back to, I don't know if I'll keep it or how long, but I went back to the 10 items a month. So with Rent the Runway, that's their highest package. It's 10 items a month, you get 5 at a time, and you can swap them out every 2 weeks. So it's kind of, I was a little anxious with making my choices because you have to live with what you get for 2 weeks. Now they did send me a note with a text to let them know if something doesn't fit or I'm not happy with it. So maybe now they would swap it out. I'll have to check into that if that occurs. But anyway, it took me like 2 days to select between this and my Armoire things because I'm trying to get ready for the holidays. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at what we've got in here. The fun thing about it is I selected it. It took 3 days, I guess, to get here. And I remember some, but I'm not completely sure which ones I actually clicked on. So it's just as much of a surprise for me. It's going to be fun. Lots of dressy stuff. So getting ready for the holidays. Woo, look at that pink on top. And what I do like about Rent the Runway, they send them on hangers and in bags, so they come in really good condition usually. There have been things I've gotten before that I had to steam. But I prefer to not have to steam anything. All right, look at this pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I'm hoping they all fit. It's so nerve-wracking trying to figure out sizes. So you can go into the community. Of course, they've got the size charts, but you can go into the community and see what other people say about the fit. Isn't that beautiful? Little mini dress. It's got long sleeves. It's very lacy. I wish you could see it. Very lacy. It's got a little ruffle down here, so we'll have fun trying that on. Unless, if it's too small, I won't be on camera with it. Okay, well, I got a long one here. Well, not too long. Oh yeah, isn't this pretty? So, ooh, it's velvet. So black velvet, it almost looks like a tux. It's got satin here on the collar and then cool buttons here. Yeah. Okay. Very pretty. We'll see which ones I'm going to wear. I got 3 holiday parties to go to. And of course, a lot of the same people are going to be at all of them, so I can't wear the same thing every time. All right, and this is a nice top. Isn't that pretty? It's very lacy. The sleeves are so puffy. It's got this keyhole here and then zipper in the back. And I'm obviously going to need to wear something underneath, like a shell or something underneath. But very romantic. All right, yes, and we've got a pair, it looks like, I knew I got leather pants in this, and I think I did in Armoire too. So, here are our leather pants. This is really odd. They sent it with a pant hanger, but it's hooked on, hooked on this part, so I'm not sure why I had the clips there. Okay. And these are vegan leather or faux leather. Faux leather or vegan. I'll have to read whenever I read the details. Nice pockets. Flare at the bottom. Woohoo! We're gonna have so much fun. All right. Then, oh, I love this top. Wait till you see this. I'm so glad they have this in my size. And this would be perfect. I mean, you know, you could wear this to various holiday things with a skirt with one, pants at another. Oh, I wish you could feel it. It just feels like it's luxurious. Very smooth and silky. And it shimmers. I mean, really shimmers in the light. Ooh. All right. It looks like I got a gift. Let's see what this is. Clinique. Great skin goes with everything. So I got a little Clinique. Looks like cleanser. All right. So I am going out to dinner tonight. So I'm probably going to do all the unboxings right now. And then between tomorrow and Friday, I'll be doing the try on. So, of course, you won't know that except that my hair may look different and my makeup may look different. But it'll be one smooth video for each. So I'm going to do a Rent the Runway video. And then I've also got a wantable box, which I don't remember asking for. I think they just automatically sent it. So I'm going to have to go in and tweak that. But I've got a wantable box, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox that next on a separate video. It'll be separate for you. And then I'm going to do my armoire unboxing. So I'm just going to unbox all three of them now so I can see everything. And then we'll do the try-ons later. Okay, stick around. I wanted to start off this Rent the Runway try-on with a bang. This color is unbelievable. I hope it shows on the camera as gorgeous as it is. It's kind of a pinkish purple, but the color is just amazing. And you know, this year, pink is in for Christmas, for decorating. So I think I could wear this to a Christmas party, don't you? I was afraid it was going to be too short, but really it's not. As long as I wouldn't feel like I have to be pulling it down, I think I need to wear it around in the house a while and make sure that I don't feel like it rides up as I walk or dance. At this point in time, I don't. So it's got ruffles, very cute. And it's, you know, definitely form-fitting and figure-hugging, but it is just, the color is so, it just pops. I saw a lot of people in the reviews wore it for the Barbie opening. I wasn't renting clothes then. I wish I would have, because this would have been great for the Barbie opening. I can see why. Anyway, and look at the, I mean, it's just like all this pretty lace detail. I have my black bra on, which would not work, so I would need to change that out. But it definitely, this beautiful lace. See, these puff sleeves are in this year, but this is just gorgeous. Okay, let me read to you about it. I had to run and get my laptop because I had given up my Rent the Runway subscription, so I took the app off of my iPad. So when I went to look this up, it's like, I gotta get my laptop. So anyway, this dress is Saylor, S-A-Y-L-O-R, is the designer, and it's Marcy mini dress, size medium. It would be normally $253. As a member of Rent the Runway, I could get it for $150. I'm going to hang on to this dress as a rental because I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it to the Christmas parties, but I just love it. So I'm sure I'll find a use for it. The color sells it. So anyway, let's go to the next item and see if we can find some Christmas party things for sure. So this dress is a no. It's a really awkward fit. I feel like it's kind of loose in the top. I would definitely need to pin it if I was going to wear it. I don't want to pin it because I'm not going to keep it. But yeah, I feel like I would have to pin it to feel secure. It's just a little like looser of a fit in through the top and then tight on the bottom. As you can see, I can't button that last button. Maybe you're not supposed to. So that has a little slit like that, which is cute, but I feel like it's too stretched on the bottom. And then to have it be kind of loose, you know, in the top, it's just, it doesn't, I don't feel like it fits me that well. So Let me read to you about it. It feels good. It's like a nice velvet, and then it's got the satin on the collar. So beautiful concept. I like these buttons. And I did button this bottom one, but it gapped too much. And I can tell you, buttoning and unbuttoning is a pain because I put it on over my head. I'm going to take it off over my head. Okay, so this is the Ashley Park. I'll have to hit on it because it's not. Ashley Park Après Soiree blazer dress, size medium. It would be $445 regularly. I could get it for 76% off. What's that tell you? $105 to buy. I would say probably a lot of people. It's just like I said, an awkward fit, looser on the top and tighter on the bottom. Oh yes, we have another winner. So this is making up for the tuxedo dress that didn't work. I love this shimmery, sparkly top. I have to pin it. Now I'm going to keep this one for a little while, so I didn't mind pinning it. I'm also going to need to reinforce a button. I didn't even try to button it because I'm afraid the button was about to pull off and I didn't want it to pull off. So anyway, I am going to have to reinforce that. It's funny, I had to put this on backwards so that I could button the buttons in the middle and then turn it around and slip into it. We do what we have to, right? So I'll show you the back. Look at these sleeves, and they've got the button detail there. So shimmery. I think you can see the shimmer in the lights. But in the back, I'm probably going to wear my lower racer back bra. And like I said, the one button is definitely going to need to be reinforced, but I can do that. This is just beautiful. Love the little ruffle at the bottom. I mean, just gorgeous. I'll read to you about that. And then the pants. I mean, they're like painted on, but I like them. And I like the bottom of them. They're really cute too. Pockets in the back. And then pockets in the front. Not that I could get my hands in them. I mean, they are pretty form-fitting. I like how, look how they come in here at the thigh and then taper out at the bottom. That's a really cool look, I think. Alrighty, so this top is Sabina. And if you remember in the summer, I had a Sabina top that I fell in love with. But it was too expensive to purchase. So this is the same designer, and I love this style. So Sabina Moussave, this is the IFAT top, IFAT top, size small, and it would normally be $225, $170 to purchase. So that's why I don't purchase these, but beautiful. And then the pants are 7 for All Mankind faux leather pants, size 29, and they would be normally $248. I could get them for $175, which I'm not going to because I'm hoping to keep going down in pant size. I'll probably always be small or extra small at the top, but you know, I may go back to my, like years ago I was a size 28, so we are working that way. Okay, so all we have left now is the black lacy top that I'll put on with these leather pants. Be right back. This top is the last item in the Rent to Runway for today, and I had said that I would probably need to wear like a shell or something under it. Actually, I thought I'd try it first with my black bra, and I think it works just fine. But it's very cute. It's got a zipper in the back. Love these sleeves. How pretty is that? Very romantic. I like this around the neck. It fits well. So let's read about this. I really like this one too. So far, everything except that tuxedo dress has been a big hit with Rent the Runway. All right. So this is Osman Yousafzada. Okay, I'm not even going to say it. Yousefzada Collective. And it is lace top. This is size 8. Yeah, size 8. And it says $300. Let's see. Oh, okay. I could get it for $60 to buy, and it's regularly $300. So that's like 80% off. This might be worth $60. But then again, how often can you wear it? Yeah, that's the other thing, because it's so special. Anyway, very beautiful. So this is the end of the Rent the Runway selections for today and for this time. And like I said, they all were fabulous except the one.